Hello, everyone. How are you today? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Let's start with our self introduction. My name is で I in じゃなくて I'm in first grade. I go to どこどこ elementary school. My favorite subject is 何々 I'm happy to be here today. Now let's sing the ABC song once. 一回だけ歌いましょう。せーの。A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 Okay, now let's take out our reading for this week. Okay, please take out yellow. Okay, page 3. Please listen and repeat. Okay, page 3. The yellow bus. Page 4. The yellow light. Page 5. The yellow cab. The yellow cab. Page 6. The yellow signs. The yellow signs. Now, the を言うときはしっかり下を噛んでね。The yellow truck. The yellow truck. Page 8. The yellow vest. The yellow vest. The yellow lines. The yellow lines. Page 10. The yellow hat. The yellow hat. Please go back, 戻る, go back to page 3 and let's read it together. Okay? Page 3. 一緒に読んでみましょう。せーの。The yellow bus. Page 4. The yellow light. The yellow cab. Page 6. The yellow signs. The yellow truck. Page 8. The yellow vest. The yellow lines. Page 10. The yellow hat. Okay. The next book is The Playground. The Playground. Listen and repeat. Page 3. The gate. The gate. The swing. The swing. The slide. The slide. The sandbox. The sandbox. The ladder. The ladder. Page 8. The bridge. The bridge. The wheel. The wheel. Page 10. The playground. The playground. Now let's go back to page 3 and read it together, okay? Page 3. The gate. Page 4. The swing. Page 5. The slide. Page 6. The sandbox. The ladder. The bridge. The wheel. The playground. Okay, and finally, please get Rainforest animals. 熱帯雨林の動物。Rainforest animals. Listen and repeat. Page 3.これ、the がいっぱい出てくるから、the 下を軽く噛んで、the って言ってね。The cat. The cat. Page 4. The monkey. The monkey. Page 5. The frog. The frog. Page 6. The parrot. The parrot. The snake. The snake. The butterfly. The butterfly. The beetle. The beetle. Page 10. The rainforest. The rainforest. Okay? Now let's go back to page 3 and read it together. Page 3. The cat. The monkey. The frog. Page 6. The parrot. The snake. Page 8. The butterfly. The beetle. Page 10. The rainforest. Okay, now please get a piece of paper and write your name at the top And then write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, question number 1. Please get out your book yellow. Okay, yellow. What page am I looking at? 先生は何ページ見てるでしょうか? I see a yellow light. I see a yellow light. Question number 2. I see a yellow truck. I see a yellow truck. Question number 3. I see yellow lines. I see yellow lines. Lines. Question number 4. Please get the playground book. Playground. 校庭の本取ってください. The playground. Question number 4. I see the slide. I see the slide. Question number 5. I see the swing. I see the swing. Swing. Question number 6. 問6. I see the gate. I see the gate. The gate. Question number 7. Please look at rainforest animals. 熱帯雨林の動物の本を見てください. I see the monkey. I see the monkey. Question number 8. I see the snake. The snake. The snake. Question number 9. I see the rainforest. 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 熱帯雨林. Rainforest. Okay? Now, question number 10. Please look at the Rainforest book. Rainforest の本を見てみてください。で、特に10ページ見てください。Please look at page 10 of the Rainforest. Rainforest の10ページを見てください。How many animals do you see? How many はいくつ? Animals は動物。See は見える。How 問い10の質問は How many animals do you see on page 10 of Rainforest Animals? Rainforest Animals 10ページに動物が何匹あるでしょうか? Okay? Alright, well that's all for this video homework, okay? We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Ting tang wada wada. Bing bang. Bye-bye.